We want to take you guys through another one of our favorites. What are we making today?
Nuggies.
Nuggies. Is that one of your favorites?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like our Nuggies.
So I actually have some store-bought Nuggies here, and there are 17 ingredients in these store-bought nuggets. So
We got lots of nuggets, Dad.
lots of them. Lots of ingredients. We don't want lots of ingredients. If you're new to our channel, we like to make kids' favorites, but slightly healthier. And healthier doesn't mean boring. It just means we like to use more whole foods, less processed ingredients, right? So what do we got first?
Chicken?
Chicken, yes. We have just ground chicken, and that's what we're gonna make our nuggies out of. Then what do we have?
Bread!
Bread. This is some of our homemade bread, 3-ingredient bread. You could use other bread, but again, we like to make simple, unprocessed food. So this is some of our 3-ingredient bread that we have left over. It's pretty stale, but it doesn't matter a whole lot. Then what do we have?
Garlic?
Garlic. You got it. Good job. We have garlic. And then what else do we have?
Salt?
Salt. You got it. So normally we use salt and then Italian seasoning, but someone gave us some Italian seasoning salt. So we're going to try that today. What do you think? Those are some good letters.
R
Yep.
B
Yep.
S
Yeah.
E 0. What is that one?
Oh, that one is a 0. You're right.
7 1.
Yeah. Good
I don't
job.
know the other ones.
That's some good reading though. You did so good. So this one's a really simple process. First thing that we're gonna do is just blitz up our bread to turn it into breadcrumbs. So we just got a food processor here. We're gonna throw the bread in there, and we're actually gonna throw everything in, basically make seasoned breadcrumbs, and then mix it with our chicken. How much should we do? Little more, little more, little more, little more, little more, little more.
You did that with the mac and cheese.
I know, right? I always like to say that. Did we just watch that one?
Yeah.
What do you think? Did that mac and cheese video come out cool?
Yeah, we have lots of mac and cheese in now.
Yeah, we did. And then let's get some garlic in there. You want to do this one? Let's get like that much. Oh, we need a little bit more. Drop some. And then in the bucket. Good job. What do you think? Is that enough?
Yeah, it's enough.
It's enough? Okay. Good job. All right, now the fun part. We're going to do the food processor and blitz this all up. So got to put that one on top. Push the button. Keep going. Keep going. A little more. A little more. Okay, so good.
Let's look at our bread.
Okay, you want to look at it? I'll get the top off for us. Look pretty good in there.
Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs, we did it.
I'm closing this thing.
Okay.
And I'm going to try it again because it...
Oh, I think we're good.
No, it's not all breadcrumbs. I need to try it.
No, you gotta open the thing, otherwise it doesn't work.
Oh.
Okay.
Just a little more breadcrumbs if we need. Dad, we just need a little more breadcrumbs.
Okay.
That's enough breadcrumbs.
Okay, perfect.
Got some more breadcrummies.
Get some more breadcrumbs. All right, so we're gonna mix this all together in a Tupperware so that we could make them so many times whenever we're ready for them.
Is that chicken?
That's the chicken. So we're gonna get our breadcrumb mix
Ooh, it looks good.
into the chicken. Love you, buddy.
1,
So I'll get
2, 3, 4.
4 juicy smooches.
Did 5.
5 juicy smooches, my favorite.
6.
And one more.
7.
What? 8?
8.
Good job. All right, you want to dump the breadcrumbs in?
Yeah.
So we're gonna just tip it over. And there you go. Pound, 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 pound. Good job. All right, we got all of our breadcrumbs in with our chicken, and now what do we do?
Mix it.
Mix it up. We're gonna mix it.
You mix it up, Dad.
You want me to, and then you want to try?
No, I want to watch you.
Okay, I'll do it.
Right mixing a little more, a little more, a little more, a little more, a little more.
How about now? Good?
Good.
Okay, good to go.
All done mixing. No.
All right, so you are going to want to put these in the fridge to let them sit up a little bit. Otherwise, they're going to be super sticky when you go to try to make them. If you're going to make them right away, you can pop them in the freezer. So we'll get these chilled a little bit. All right, so you're ready to make some juicy nuggies. Are you ready?
Yes.
So you can pan fry these. We're just going to cook them in just a little bit of olive oil because it takes too long to pan fry it, and we don't have the patience for that, do we?
No.
A little bit of olive oil.
All pan nice and hot.
All right, you want Daddy to do the messy part?
Yep.
All right, so we're just gonna shape these like juicy nuggies, right?
Yes. Dad, can I do it too?
Oh, yeah, you wanna pat it? Okay, now don't touch nothing because our hands are messy, okay?
Ooh, Dad, you're doing so good paddling it.
Is that big enough?
Big enough. I want 4, Dad.
4?
Yeah.
4 juicy nuggies? Okay.
Yeah, because I'm super hungry.
Okay. One more?
Yeah, one more because I want 4.
Okay.
You need just one more. That's the last one.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. I want 4.
All right, our nuggies are all done. Are they nice and golden brown and delicious? We got some of our homemade ranch. Should we show everybody how we make that next? Okay, see if it's juicy.
Good.
What do you think?
So juicy.
So juicy? All right. Should we show everybody how to make our ranchy next?
Yeah.
Okay. So, same principles we try to teach everyone, trying to get away from processed foods and eat more minimally processed whole foods, and trying to instill that in our kids as well, because your kids are going to eat how you eat. So, from Daddy and Tutor,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.